Hi everyone, Chad Seneschal here with the customer success team at Weeldi, and today I wanted to show you how to use the menu bar at the bottom to add a lookup. So in this example, I am booking an exercise class, and when I logged in, went to browse and looked at all classes, I scroll down and I see several classes here. There will obviously be one that I'm looking to do while I work through this website right now, but that might not be the same class I look for every time. So if I want to be able to create a variable out of these classes, what I would do is go to the menu bar, to the camera button that says Add Lookup. It kind of takes you out of the recording a little bit, and now it'll show, as you hover over the screen, different areas that are being selected. Select what you're looking for. So the swim in the mornings is what I'm selecting now. And when you select that, it'll add it as a variable. You can see up here at the top, it says Lookup Performed, and it has an input value. You'll see that this input value has collected a weird name from the website for some reason. So go ahead and check out the video on how to rename input values. But as for now, what it's done is created an input value out of this, which means I can use it as a variable. I would then go and click that same button again to continue navigating, and I can move on with my automation like normal. Anyway, hope that helps. Happy automating.